Planning to explore Málaga without the hassle of dragging your luggage around? Radical Storage offers a fast and reliable way to store your bags while you discover the city. In this video, I'll show you how to deposit your luggage at a storage point in Málaga using Radical Storage, a secure platform that partners with local businesses like hotels, shops, and cafes. Your luggage will be safe and fully insured while you explore. To ensure your safety, only use the official Radical Storage website through the secure link in the video description. Once there, type Málaga into the search bar to find a list of available storage locations throughout the city. Choose a location near tourist sites, transportation hubs, or Málaga's city center for your convenience. Select your desired drop-off and pick-up times and proceed to secure payment. Radical Storage guarantees a smooth booking experience, so you can rest assured your online transactions are protected. After booking, you'll receive a reference number and directions to the storage location. When you arrive, simply show your reference number to the staff, and they'll store your bags safely. That's it. Now you can explore Málaga luggage-free, knowing your belongings are in good hands with Radical Storage. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below.